Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen green times return back to the cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen huge gains going around the market. The fear and greed index, for the first time in a very long time, has flashed greed. We're now in greed. We have seen the cryptocurrency market leave extreme fear, flip through neutral, head straight to greed. Bitcoin trades around $73,000. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, trades around $2,338. Where we're heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks, the bears are getting liquidated. How long can this short squeeze last? Are we pumping straight back to the all-time highs? With a lot of market participants expecting a big dump down to gobbling town. Is this going to be a short-lived rally? We'll look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency markets. We'll talk about sentiment in the market, and altcoin season. Is there any chance for us to get an altcoin season before the end of the year? Let's get down to business. Let's start with the general vibe in the cryptocurrency market. The last 48 hours have seen huge pumps going around the cryptocurrency market. For context sake, just over the last 1 week, XRP is up 25%. Ethereum is up more than 20%. We have PP up 19%, Pump up 31%, Arbitrum up 20%, Link up 21%. Even king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, is up more than 60%. So it's safe to say good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Now, just the good times returning back to the market is only for the bulls. The bears are getting liquidated out of the market. The last 24 hours right now has seen more than 559 million total worth of liquidations. More than 121,000 traders have been liquidated over the past 24 hours. Largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. Traders liquidated for $25.13 million. That's just a brief summary of the liquidation stats over the last 3 days. If you look at what happened 72 hours ago on the 19th of August 2026, we had more than $3 billion in liquidations. The shorts were worth more than $2.739 billion. 48 hours ago, we had almost $900 million in liquidations. Again, the shorts were worth more than $671 million. And right now, shorts are getting blown out. I believe after the shorts gets blown out, we're going to see a lot of market participants that have been on the sideline over the last few weeks and the last few months start running back to the markets. But right now, there's shock in the market. Bears are getting liquidated. We are pumping to higher prices. How has Bitcoin behaved in the month of August and in Q3 of 2026? Now, in Q3 of 2026, we've seen Bitcoin make great moves to the upside. Bitcoin started the year on a negative. First 2 quarters for Bitcoin in 2026 were 2 negative quarters, 2 double-digit negative quarters for Bitcoin. Ethereum, on the same hand, also was down double digits in the first 2 quarters of 2026. But right now, in Q3 of 2026, Ethereum is up more than 47%. Bitcoin is up more than 26%. On a monthly time frame, Bitcoin for the month of August is up 17.39%. Ethereum, on the other hand, in the month of August is up a whopping 24.84%. So good times returning back to the cryptocurrency market, and those good times are bringing back good sentiment. But more than 48 hours into the pump, the crypto fear and greed index has gone from fear, where we were trading last week, right now to greed. Hopefully to extreme greed over the next few weeks, and hopefully the next few months. But we have bided our time. We have waited for the fear and greed index to round out, consolidate out of the extreme fear region. We have been in the extreme fear region for more than 3 months right now. We've spent majority of the last 1 year sitting in extreme fear. It's one of those brief moments over the last 1 year where we have seen fear and greed index head back to greed. We had one of those moments way back in earlier this year in January of 2026. We had one of those moments during the top in October of 2025. So I'm sure when we look back at this time, it's going to be a significant moment. Either going to be the end of the bear market when the bull market started and start pumping to higher prices, or it's going to be the short squeeze that liquidated a lot of bears before we eventually see that big dump to gobbling town. But right now, we're singing Kumbaya. Right now, back to the charts. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, almost scraping $74,000. It's been a wild ride for Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin trading in these prices way back in May of 2026. But guys, don't forget, in May of 2026, Bitcoin even got to as high as $82,000. Momentum was high then. There's a lot of good vibes in the market before we saw Bitcoin eventually setting a low, losing around that almost 30% of its value. And that low came in July. Since the 1st of July 2026, Bitcoin has been on a different path. The bears have gotten liquidated right now. And some bulls are still on the sidelines. Some bulls are getting excited. But at some point in time in the nearest future, we're going to see bulls get liquidated also, because they're going to be making hard bets to the upside. But right now, the last 50 days has seen Bitcoin rally up by more than 27%, with the general cryptocurrency market joining in the party. We've seen the total cryptocurrency market cap go from as low as $2 trillion, where it was trading on the 1st of July 2026. Right now, the total cryptocurrency market cap sits around $2.47 trillion. And over the next few weeks, over the next few months, I expect us to continue pumping to higher prices. There's always going to be that delay in sentiment change versus price change. Right now, a lot of market participants are still in shock. They're still doubting the rally. That's how most rally starts. A lot of market participants doubting the validity of the rally. The last 365 days have conditioned a lot of market participants to be expecting us to just continue dumping to gobbling town, no matter how hard we pump. And you can see that in sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. You can see that with the way the rally has been received. There's no a lot of excitement that we're going to higher prices. There's more of a disbelief. There's more of a lack of optimism, and there's more of regrets. That's from the bears. The bears, many of them are still going hard on their shorts, still believing that the shorts will eventually pay out. Many market participants are yet to agree to the fact that maybe, just maybe, the bear market is over. Maybe, just maybe, we're in for a big pump to the upside. Right now, we have to put all fingers on deck. Look at news going around the cryptocurrency market. Positive news after positive news have been coming out of the cryptocurrency market over the last 48 hours. Crypto short liquidations past $3 billion as Bitcoin price near 72K. Right now, we're blasted past 72K. Bitcoin trades around $73,000, probably bordering near the $74,000 region. And Bitcoin has broken above its 200-day moving average for the first time since November, which is a good sign to see. Usually, Bitcoin breaking above the 200-day moving average is usually bullish for Bitcoin. I don't think this time is different. Bitcoin price reclaimed the 200-day moving average for the first time in 9 months as its rallies gain momentum after US Treasury expanded its bonds buyback. Good news, and it's good to see. On the Trump rally, we're going to finally get that Trump rally. Maybe this is the time we're going to finally get it. Bitcoin price reaches 72.5K as US issues economic D-Day threat to Iran. Crypto generates about 1% of Whale Bull's record. That's what their second quarter revenue has to say. Bitcoin ETF draws $570 million in largest one-day flow since early May. News stories going around the market, very bullish right now. We're seeing some expectancy of bullish price action. A lot of market participants have not still caught up yet. They're still in disbelief. There's no general optimism in the cryptocurrency market, even though Bitcoin's nears 5% of Ethereum supply despite $8.4 billion in unrealized losses. Tom Lee is one of the heroes of the last 1 year. He's been going hard on Ethereum. Hopefully that bet will pay out. But right now, bullish stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are expecting higher prices. Bitcoin trading near $74,000. That cryptocurrency market cap still around that $2.47 trillion level. Ethereum, Link, PP, a lot of meme coins are doing well. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance in the market, it's making a move towards the 60% region. When Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, guys, don't forget, it's always good time for all coins in the cryptocurrency market. But right now, Bitcoin is leading the way, and with this Bitcoin dominance pump to the upside, eventually see a big dump to the downside, and I believe that's when the main party will start, when we'll see all coins flying front, left, and center. If you've not been in the cryptocurrency market for long, get ready for big 30+% candles on a daily time frame, big 100% candles on a weekly time frame. Crazier things happen when the market is pumping. Way crazier things happen when we get to altcoin season. And I believe at some point in 2026, we're going to get altcoin season. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. What's your take on the market right now with Bitcoin approaching $74,000, with greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market, with a lot of altcoins bouncing off the bottom, with bears getting liquidated? Do you believe the bear market is over, or do you still expect one leg down? Do you still expect one final dump to goblin town? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.